When it comes to feedback, one of the biggest challenges we have is we often see that we make feedback so challenging at times. It's a high effort activity, right? So firstly, one thing I'll say is sort of maybe something to underscore how you're thinking about feedback is make it easy on your customers to provide you feedback.
Yeah.
This has been an issue for a lot of days where we make it so high effort, right? Even some of the best brands, talking about brands that are just known for CX, there's still, when it comes to the feedback piece, it's an extra step. It's an
Yeah.
extra effort by the customer.
Yeah.
Remember, customers want personalization, they want ease. These are the things that drive their loyalty, it drives their lifetime value. And we follow all these rules. Some of the brands that we work with follow all these rules up to feedback and then make feedback really, really high effort, right? So one just sort of underscoring moment. Well, I'll always say to any organization, make feedback easy, make it something your customers want to give you and provide you, and make sure that you're gathering it in a way that's really low effort for them. Because let's be honest, it's for you, and you are going to give that back to your customers in the form of improvements and adjustments to make the experience even better. But if you want to get the best possible feedback, make it really easy for them.